Hi, this is Vignesh. Last class we see parameter and arguments. In this class I will going to teach about interface and implementation. Interface. What is interface? Actually, interface is an intermediator between two objects in an operating system, which is the interface between user and the computer hardware components. We know Amazon is also get the user to buy the product, and we going to see the topics. Interface. An interface is a set of action that an object can do. Here one example given. If you want light, you want to switch on the light. Here switch is an intermediator, and we also tell interface. So when you on the light, you will get the light goes. When you press a light switch, light goes on. You may not care how that it is splash the light. Switch is an intermediator between the pass on the light. In object-oriented programming language, an interface is a description of all functions that a class must have in order to be a new interface. Here, description of all function, that means here each interface we having certain number of function to do various operations. In this switch we are having two operation and two function. One is turn on the switch and turn off the switch. When it turn on the switch, we can get the light goes. Turn off the switch, light not goes. Here we have two functions. In our examples, anything that acts like a light should have function definition like turn on and a turn off. We see turn on and turn off is a two functions. The purpose of interface is to allow the computer to enforce the properties of the class of type T. Whatever the interface is must have function called X, Y, Z, etc. Here each interface we having a certain number of function that must given in a order. Order means if you want to switch on the light must be in order. It must in some order. Here for the switch only we having two functions. Like this, any interface we can consider each interface certain number of function and various operation. Here based on interface purpose we can give any number of properties. Example, class type T. Here type class of type T here given, and we can give any number of functions like X, Y, Z. Like that we give example, or simple examples also we give. Here turn on is a function and turn off is a function. Another function like this depends on interface purpose. We can contract different types of functionalities. And next we are going to see about what is class and what is object and what is an interface. Then difference between interface and implementation. A class declaration combines the external interface with an implementation of that interface. The class declaration combines the external interface with the implementation. The implementation, it must be depends on an object behavior, means here switch is an object. Object we having turn on or turn off. These are called functionalities. And an object is an instance created from a class. Class is a collection of object. Object is an instance created from the class. Interface defines an object visibility to the outside world. Depends on its behavior. And here interface must be visibility to the outside the world. And we see difference between interface and implementation. Interface and implementation. Interface just defines what an object can do but won't actually do it. It means it's done by the object which is explained by the interface. And implementation carries out the instruction defined in the interface. It means the function we given in the interface, so that function we implemented how you defined it. The each and every instruction, the interface implemented by the implementation. That's all given in interface and implementation. We see characteristics of interface. Class template specifies the interfaces to enable an object to be created and operated properly. Class template means it's a model. If you are going to construct the model, actually the interface construct is an application. If we are going to construct the application, we must enable an object. In proper manner, we must create the object and operate proper manner. Only we can tell better performance of interface. An object attributes and behavior is controlled by sending functions to the object. Object attributes and behavior is controlled by sending function to the object. Here give some example. I explained that the example. Increasing a car speed, that to increase the car speed, the driver has to increase the speed to accelerator, which is the interface between driver and the engine. So driver does not care about how the engine was work. So engines verify functionalities. Driver does not care about engine is going to work or not. Just he want to speed up the car and go fast. Suppose he want to increase the speed, just press the accelerator. Accelerator is work on the engine behavior. Whether the speed is based on the correct user need or not. If it is required speed is that return the function. If it requires a speed, it returns the function. Else here to this remaining process and increase the speed of the car, here only working. Then that's only given this paragraph. The person who drives the car does not care about the internal working of the car. To increase the speed of the car, just press the accelerator to get the desired behavior. Desired behavior means increase the behavior of the car. Here the accelerator is the interface between the driver and the engine. All the things are done by the engine. Internally the engine of the car doing all things. It's where fuel, air, pressure and electricity come together to create the power to move the vehicle. These all things only that move that vehicle. All of this action are separated from the driver, who just wants to go faster. The driver just only wants to go faster. Thus we separate interface from implementation. The driver is not taking serious about these things. The driver only wants to go faster. That's all. And here one example given. Let us see a simple example. Consider the following implementation of a function that finds the minimum of these 3 arguments. Here given that code, let minimum of 3 number x, y, z. Let means keyword. We see last class, let means keyword, minimum of 3 number x, y, z. If x is less than y, then if x is less than z, that means x will return. Else we see x is less than y, so we here give if y is less than z, then y else z, so y is returned. So this minimum of 3 number is given. Here we find x is less than or y is minimum or z is minimum. Thank you. We see the pure function in next class. You like this video means like, comment. If you have any doubt means comment and subscribe.